Hello and welcome to Southeastern College. My name is Christian Carrillo, Program Director of the Medical Assisting Department. Thank you for joining me today. We're just going to take you through a little virtual walkthrough of our facility here at Southeastern, just to kind of give you a lay of the land. So we're just now coming in through the main entrance where we have all of our students come to the main lobby where they have to come to the check-in desk. This is typically where we have an armed officer here to check people in, screening, make sure everybody's staying safe. Now we're just going to take you through our reception and administrative area. So this will be our reception area where we have patrons coming in for any appointments to meet with financial aid, admissions, address any questions, concerns they may have. Right here to our right, we have our campus president, Ms. Teresa Byrne. Let's see if she's in and available real quick. Hello, how's it going?
Hi, how are you?
Doing
Hello,
well.
how's it going? My name's Teresa Byrne. I'm the campus president here at Southeastern College in Charlotte, and hopefully some or maybe all of you can come and have a physical tour sometime. In the meantime, you get to see our campus today. Thank you for everything. We appreciate you.
All right, thank you. Okay, now we're actually going to go behind the scenes here. Always trying to stress safety for all of our patrons and students as they come in. We're now hitting our administrative areas where we have student services to the right, financial aid, our bursar office, as well as all of our admissions people. How's it going? This is also this little break area for faculty down here on the first floor. All the little amenities you would need away from home. As we continue through, we have financial aid department on our right. Ms. Beaver, program director there.
Sorry.
Hey, how's it going?
You see it?
Right now, we're currently doing a special, what's called Wizard of Oz. So we have our admissions people set up a theme of the yellow brick road here, trying to bring in some more potential students, vamp and motivate everybody. We have our director of admissions right here. Okay, how's it going?
Good, good.
Doing it to better yourself.
Just doing a quick little virtual tour, showing the lay of the land real quick. So this is our admissions department where we have all of our admission coordinators setting up calls and appointments with potential students. And then we'll wrap around here to our registrar office. Okay, how's it going? And then we have a number of conference rooms where our admission coordinators can meet with potential students, do their Wonderlic testing for our programs, set up the TEAS test for LPN, and just address any questions, concerns they may have. Okay? That's pretty much going to wrap it up here for the first floor, and then I'm going to meet you on the second. All right, welcome to our second floor of our facility here at Southeastern College. We just got off the elevators here for those for ADA compliance and accessibility. We're right now kind of in the common break area. We have our student break area here for vending machines where they can come eat their lunch, snacks, get some water, get some food, just relax for a little bit. Here at Southeastern, we have a total of 13 classrooms, 5 of which are strictly dedicated for labs and clinicals. So we're just kind of do a brief walkthrough, kind of showing you the facilities and what the classrooms look like, okay? Right here on our right, we actually have one of our medical assisting labs here. No, you're good, BJ. Let's turn this light on real quick. Okay. So this is just one of our medical assisting lab rooms where we have them practice venipunctures on the fake dummy arms before they start doing live sticks, centrifuge, incubators, cultures, microbiology, all that. And as we come around, we're going to be coming up on our surgical tech lab here that you can kind of peek in so they can start practicing on how they set up their sterile fields, help assisting surgeons and doctors during their minor and major surgical procedures. So that's going to
See
be
you
our surg
tomorrow.
tech
Hopefully our
lab.
class.
Here we just have some more lecture classrooms. This is actually going to be our sonography classroom. Let me just turn the light on. Zoom it out. So this is where DMS is primarily going to be seeing patients, or not patients, but at least volunteers and fellow classmates to help do scans for their sonography. Here's going to be one of our faculty rooms where teachers and staff. Here's another MA lab where they actually have their clinical bed so they can participate in EKGs, vital signs, measurements, height, weight, you name it. We actually have more academic offices here where we have our Dean of Academics. She's currently not in, but this would be her office for our Dean of Academics. and then another break or faculty room for our program directors. Okay. We have fire exits on either side of the building for the top floor for safety. We make sure that our facility is always staying compliant with OSHA standards, labeling fire extinguishers, fire exits, checking our IWAS stations, making sure everything stays up to code and up to date. So now we're just going to take you around through the rest of the facility. What's nice about the second floor, it's pretty much just one big circle. So even if you get lost, if you just keep walking, you'll end up right back where you started. Okay, so like I said, we have over 13 classrooms, 5 of which are going to be strictly dedicated to labs, clinicals, and things like that. Okay, so now we're just going to take you through the other half of the building here on the second floor. We have primarily lecture classrooms here on our right side, housekeeping, roof access here, so that way when we have our cleaning crew come in between classes and also every day at night. So here's just one of our examples of one of our lecture classrooms that are carpeted, arranged tables in a way to where it makes it easier for students to see the board, hear the teachers during their lectures. Also, all classrooms are equipped with recording devices of microphones and cameras, so that way during lectures can also be recorded and posted onto their online Blackboard website. So that way if students miss anything, if they're more visual and auditory learners, they can go back and pull those recorded lectures from their classes. Here's just another one of our lecture classrooms here with just a different setup. Okay. We're right back here in the middle where we started with our elevators and our common break area. We're just now on the right side of the building. Okay, so we're just going to keep coming through. We're coming up on our biohazard waste room here where we can collect all of our sharps containers, biohazard waste, show our students how to properly collect it, package, and distribute, get prepared for Stericycle to come in and collect our biohazard waste, as well as an ADA bathroom that you need to have a secured ADA code to come into. Now we're coming up on one of our LPN classrooms, or actual lab rooms, where we have different exam beds set up, a couple of fake arms for blood draws. This is primarily for our LPN program. So, a couple of water fountains here, and we also have our pretty much Hall of Fame of graduates, those that have previously graduated from the program and also volunteered to give a little excerpt of their time here at Southeastern, what's been motivating them, and what all they've gotten from here at Southeastern. We're actually coming past one of our other LPN classrooms right now. So we pretty much have day and night classes here on campus. During the day, we have medical assisting, DMS, LPN, massage therapy. At night, we also have an MA, massage therapy again, surgical tech. We have surgical tech as day as well. We also recently started a rad tech program for an associates. Right now it's primarily online, but that's up and going. We started a few associate programs for DMS, surge tech, as well as massage therapy. Okay, so here's actually going to be one of our computer labs here. We have 1 and 2. We make sure students are able to access the internet, print off any papers, work on any assignments and things that they need to digitally, like our online library assignments that we require for each classroom. We provide an online library that we give to students so they can look up research articles, check out online ebooks, anything that's going to help them with their courses. So these are just 2 of our computer labs that we have fully stocked in operation. Okay. Then we have another LPN classroom here in the corner, but right now they have class going on, so of course we can't take a peek. Then we're just going to come around and we have one of our massage therapy classrooms here where they have a few tables set up as well as massage beds where they actually are going to be practicing their clinical massages of various different techniques, anatomy, muscular work, body work. We also like to have the walls decorated with a few motivational pictures here and there for students to look at, read, maybe get a little bit of inspiration, just get a little bit more motivation. Here's also going to be our media center, our library that students can come in, use, relax, check out some of the books, use computers, use a copier printer machine if they need any of that for their classrooms. This is pretty much where the students will be coming in onto the second floor. There's only one entrance up and down for students to take. That way it just kind of controls who's coming in and who's coming out for safety reasons. Okay. Then as we come by, we're going to be right back in front of our common break area where again they have the vending machines, microwaves, sinks, anything students might need in between classes just to get a little bit of breather, get a little bit of water, get a little snack, just something to recharge while they're going through their classes. Okay, but that's pretty much it for the second floor. I appreciate all of you joining us today for this virtual tour. I hope you've enjoyed it. Hopefully you can come on to campus physically to do a physical on-site tour, and hope to see you soon. Thank you.